Ants literally never sleep. These tiny insects are the ultimate nonstop machines. Unlike humans, ants don't have a sleep cycle. They stay active around the clock, constantly foraging, building, cleaning, and protecting the colony. Some worker ants rest for only a few minutes at a time. The twist? Even the queen rarely sleeps. The entire colony runs like a never-ending factory, powered by millions of tiny ants that simply don't need sleep the way we do. Nature's hardest workers. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts. You won't believe the next one.